Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While starting this component, we need to start with the material addition features first, then do the material removal feature. In this model, I am going to start with this base plate, then I will model this cylinder, then I will create this support plate. After modeling this, I will create this rectangular cut throughout this plate. Then I will create this hole with a diameter of 22. Then I will model these two holes. Now we will learn how to model this component step by step in NX. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. These are the operations I have made in NX. First, go to the File, New, Model. Here our units are in mm, so we have to choose the millimeter. Provide a name. Here we need to choose the location. Location is this one. Just say OK and say OK. For easy modeling, keep the sketch in the left side or new window. Software in the right side. It will be easy to view the dimensions parallelly to avoid the error. Now we'll start the sketch. First, start with the sketch. First, I'm going to model this view, front plane. Just say OK. First, take the rectangle, which is the corner rectangle. Just create a rectangle. Just say OK. Now we need to specify the dimension. The length of the rectangle is 75 and the height is, here you can see 15. Just click the line and double click this value. You can able to edit. Just 75, enter. Here you just make it no and press the roller and select this line. Double click this value. This one is 15. Press the roller. Now we just want to make this rectangle symmetric to the vertical axis. Click this line, click this point and click this axis. Just say OK. Now we have made this sketch fully constrained. Just go to the finish sketch, extrude, make this into symmetric value. The total extrusion length is, here you can see 56. Just OK. Just hide the sketch. This one is 75. This is the 56. Now we'll create this cylinder. To create this cylinder, we need to create a plane here with a distance of 63. Just keep this file in this view. To create the plane, here you can see the datum plane. Choose this datum plane. Select the surface. Not this side actually. Use the arrow mark or change the direction by using this. Here we need to specify the distance. The distance is 63. Any value you can provide here. Just OK. Now we have created a plane. Now we just want to create a cylinder here. So select this plane, sketch, sketch view. It's come. Now take the circle, put the circle somewhere here, press the roller to confirm. Now the circle diameter is 36. Just click it here, you will get the diameter. This value is 36. Just make it no, press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify the center point from the center. This is located center point. For that, take a line. Here you make it within work part only. Here center point and make a line. Press the roller to confirm. Make this sketch as a axis or center line. Now select this point and select this line. This distance is, make it 0. Press the roller to confirm. And this distance we have to specify it. For that, select this point, select this axis, Double click this one. This distance is they have specified it as 100. Just press the roller to confirm. Now here you can see this dark color circle indicates that this is fully constrained. Finish the sketch. Here you can see. Now just go to the extrude. Downward direction extrusion we have to do with a height of 25 to center. Inferred. Just say OK. Now we have created this cylinder. Now we just want to create this support plate. We cannot create this support plate using ribs because the sketch is different. Now go to the sketch. The right plane is mid to the object, so select this right plane. This one keep it this corner. Just say OK. Now here we make it within work part only. Now we just take a multiple lines, make it within work part only. Here you just move your cursor to this line, you will get this corner point. Select this point. Here also you just right click and select this. Here you can get the corner point, and here we make it. Here also you can select from this corner point. Here also we select it here, and here just close the page. Just OK. Now the sketch is completely closed. This solid color indicates that. Then OK. Now here you see, here the dimensions are different actually. So we just delete this line. Take a line. Orient it to the view. Here take a line, select from the list, sketch point, some horizontal line, this point. Just say OK. Now we need to specify the dimension. Here you can see from the center point to here the distance is 36. Just go to the, here we cannot find the center point. To find the center point, put the axis here. Select from the list, arc center, just put the line, press the roller to confirm. Make this line as a construction line. Then just select this point from this line. The dimension we can change is 36. Press the roller to confirm. This is we cannot modify. This also be fixed line. This dimension is 25. Just click it here. You will get 25. Press the roller. Make it 25. All the dimensions are we have fixed. Now just go to the finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. The thickness is 12. 12, enter. Just up. OK. Edit sketch. Not the subtract. Unite it to this body as well as to this body. Just cancel it. Just go to the edit sketch. Select this line, delete this line. Take a line from this point to extend to somewhere here. From this point to delete this line, delete this line, take a multiple line, take this point, entire assembly. Here and here. Just OK. Finish the sketch. It shows the message. Just say OK. Now delete the extrusion. Just go to the property. Cancel it. Finish sketch. Yes. First delete the sketch, it's better. We cannot do finish sketch. Edit parameter, it's doing subtract. Actually we need to do unite with, choose the sketch we have chosen. Here body, this one as well as this one. Now the object is finished. Just hide the sketch. Now we have modeled this one. Then we just want to make a material removal process. For that, go to the sketch. Select the surface. Just keep it here. Just say OK. Now hide this plane also. Yes. Now just take the rectangle. Here make it within work part only, somewhere here, and place it here. Press the roller to confirm. Now to make it symmetric, take a line, here we just put a line, this one make it construction line. Now put the dimension of this one, select this one, double click here. The dimension of this they are not given. Just double click here, just delete this one. Instead they have given 12 mm from here. From this one to this, it is 12. Press the roller to confirm, and the height is 5 mm. Select this one. This one is 5. Press the roller to confirm. Make it symmetric. Select this one. From here, this axis, just OK. Press the roller to confirm. Now this dimension also will be 12 only. So need not to specify actually. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction here. This one we make it until next. Inferred is automatically taken as subtract. Just OK. Now hide the sketch. Now we'll make a hole here. For that, just take the hole. Place your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get this hole at the center. The diameter of the hole is 22. Normal to the face. Until selected. Until selected means we just want to select the surface. Subtract, just say OK. Now we just want to create 2 holes here. For that, just go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. Now just create the circle here. Press the roller to confirm. The diameter of the circle is 12. Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify the center distance from here to this distance is, they are not given actually. Just delete it. This is also located center. For that we just require axis. Take a line. The center one, put a center one. Select this line, make it to construction line. Now this point and this line, make it coincident. Press the roller to confirm. Now you just select this circle. Here there is option called mirror. Here we just want to put a line to mirror. So we just want to make a line. Just go to orient to the sketch. Similarly put a line, take a line here to here. Select this and make it to construction. Now select this circle, mirror, select this line, just close it. Select this circle here, select this line, just OK. Now we got this one. Now the center distance between these 2 holes is, here they have given 45. Now just go here from this point to this point, double click this one. This distance is 45. Just press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is closed. Just finish sketch. Extrude, just change the direction, infrared is automatically subtract. Here we make it to next, until next, just say OK. Hide this sketch. Now we have finished this model. Just orient, isometric. This is our final object. In this tutorial we have learned how to create holes, how to create a mirror, everything. In next tutorial we will come up with a new component. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. To change the color of this video, just go to the display. Here there is option called edit object display. Choose the object. Just OK. Select this one. Choose any color. Just OK. And apply. You can able to change the color of the object. This way we can change. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.